Welcome back to our Weebisode series. My name is Paul Kovalov. Today we'll be talking about grounding and the Burndy weeb washer technology. Previously we talked about grounding and some of its applications. Grounding is important for NEC compliance and also for safety. If someone were to touch an energized piece of metal equipment, they could become electrocuted if that piece of equipment is not grounded. Traditionally, grounding is accomplished by attaching a bare copper wire to every piece of exposed metal in an array. This includes your racking and your module frames. That copper wire is attached to the racking and module frames via a lay and lug. This method is time and labor intensive and requires a lot of copper wire. A more cost-effective and reliable method of providing protective grounding to a PV array is to use Burndy's weeb washer line of products. Now, what is a weeb washer? Weeb stands for Washer Electrical Equipment Bond. It's a device that can be used to bond or electrically connect together every piece of metal in a PV array. This significantly reduces the amount of copper wire required to connect the system to earth ground. To give you a better understanding of how the technology works, we're going to spend a minute talking about the anatomy of a weeb bonding washer. The groundbreaking component is the weeb tooth. This part bites into anodizing and other non-conductive coatings to create an electrical bond between module frames, rails, and other parts of the PV system. Clearance holes allow for different size hardware to be used in mounting the PV modules. Tabs and legs keep the weeb washer oriented and secured into rails, and clip features hold the washer in place as the system is being assembled. There are three main categories of weeb washers. There's the rigid model, which is used at clearance holes and mid-clamps, the flexible model, which is also used at mid-clamps but allows for more give during installation, and the clip-on model, which firmly stays in place while the rest of the system is being assembled around it. The weeb washers are also used to enhance existing standard products, such as lay and lugs or braided jumpers. The weeb teeth allow these parts to make consistent low impedance ground connections without any additional surface preparation. This ends our brief overview of the technology in the Burndy weeb washer line of products. Join us next time for another installment of the Weebisode series. I'm Paul Kovalov, and thank you for watching.